Okay, this is just crazy. I'm gonna have to fill my other phone because it's taking 45 minutes to upload a 5-minute, 6-minute video. That's so stupid, Apple. I'm making another video, this time on my phone where you can barely see anything. I'll just go ahead and make it light on this phone anyway. You might be able to see some of the lightning, but probably unlikely because this phone is potato quality. Ooh! We saw that one through this phone. That was huge. You guys even saw it through its potato quality. The rain is worsening. Oh my god. Ooh! That was crazy. Holy crap. Think I hear hail. Think it's starting to hail. Holy crap. Oh! Rain's all over the windshield. Look at that. It's just completely soaked. Oh, man. Whoa. Flashed like 3 times that time. 3 times in a row. That was pretty big. The last couple hours, there were some really ugly clouds moving in, so I could tell it was going to storm, guys, actually. I didn't think we would be in yellow weather. We are in yellow radar right now. We're in yellow. This is very intense storm. Especially for us, Colorado. We haven't gotten yellow weather in a while on the radar app. Gotten mostly green. That's about it. Oh! That was so close! It's getting closer. It's getting worse. I caught that on video. Wow. The lightning today is terrible. It's like a dark yellowish, orangish color. That's not a good sign. Oh boy. This can't end well. lightning's very bad. Wow. Oh boy. Sorry if this is getting boring. The rain has died down, but the lightning's still going pretty bad. And the wind's kind of bad. It's getting a little better, though. Ooh. My feet are getting tired. If it gets any worse, I'll let you guys know.